Hi everyone, welcome to my universe, to the massive truth. Wherever you're watching me from around the world, I pray may the good Lord bless and strengthen you. May He open that beautiful and gorgeous side of yours to make you see and understand from my own point of view. Today I want to talk about something which they go viral now for social media. I want to talk about this, my two gallant brothers, my Nigerian Lagosians who beat their sister. Say she allegedly go sleep with another man. Please do bear with me. I will be back. Okay, my brothers and sisters, welcome to my universe. If it's your first time of passing by, if this is your first time of seeing my video, you're very much welcome. Please do me a favor before you leave. Subscribe to watch more of my video. Hit the bell button to get notification whenever I upload video. So my old subscribers, I love you. I love you for subscribing. I love you for coming back to watch my video. I love you for patronizing me. I love you for contributing to my success. I love you for loving love. Thank you very much. I really appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. I really do appreciate you. Thank you very much. Thank you for the correction. Thank you for your positive energy. I really do appreciate it. So today I want to talk about this, my two Lagosians, this my two senior brother, this my two senior uncles. I want to talk about them, and I will beg you to leave your own opinion under the comment section, so that we fit teach ourselves, so that we fit learn from each other. No time for the hate, no time too small, time too short. Today na always oh God, I dey always tell people, today na opportunity where you see to take see me, so is an opportunity for me to take day your for me to take day your phone, for me to take day your television, for me to take day anywhere where for the see me now. Is an opportunity. Tomorrow might not be that. Tomorrow fit not get opportunity like this. So for that simple reason, make we appreciate every moment where we take see each other. Make we appreciate and make it not be saying that when person don't go, now we call it say, oh this girl, oh this boy, oh this boy, oh this girl. No more appreciate each other. The time we will get to take appreciate each other. I hope you understand. I hope you summon that good side in you to take see from my own point of view. I hope you just please don't get angry. Don't let that beast come out. Suppress that beast, because there is good. There is benefit in being sweet. There is gain in being loving. I hope you understand. I hope you just take me for who I am. So these my brothers, they beat their lovely sister because she allegedly, okay, because we not hear from the woman. She go cheats on the husband. She fornicates for her husband's house. Now Yoruba, they can't speak for the video. I go leave the video now, make you see, maybe you don't first see, maybe you don't first see, maybe you don't first see. I go want to make you leave your own comments below. Make we learn from each other. Make we see what's not good. Make we condemn her. So leave your comment below. If you be Yoruba, my brother, if you be Yoruba, my sister, you still understand what's in this mark on the talk for this video more than me. Please write it in the comments section, so that other people will not understand Yoruba will understand what they can talk. Please do bear with me. I will be back.
Mo bá kí ẹ gidi gan o, ìwọ ọkọ ìyàwó, mo kí ẹ gidi gan kú sùúrù, ṣùgbọ́n a mọ̀ pé ilé èrè ló ti ní ìyàwó. Má jìjà o, ìwọ mọ̀ jìjà fọ́ ọ́ lérò kó omi náà bá bà náà kó omi náà bá má ṣe dé. Lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ báyìí, tá a bá bá ọmọ wa wí tán, wà á ní ìjà tí wọ́n fẹ́ jà, àwa la fẹ́ jà. àwa la fẹ́ dìjà tí o fẹ́ jà lọ́jọ́ ọ̀rẹ́ yẹn ẹ̀gbọ́n ẹ̀lú ò bá rí fún bẹ́ẹ̀
all right, my wonderful Africans, my wonderful Nigerians, we don't hear my Ogbonga pidgin English. Welcome back. I hope you see the video. I hope you watch the video. Waiting, I understand small inside. Not beside the Yoruba. Not be like that. Somebody still explain. Give me. Say see what he can talk. Say the husband can't drop her. The husband can't drop her for house. The man talk say the woman they cheat on her. Now make her can't drop her. So the brothers now no listening to their sister. No one hear what their sister talk. Whether their sister agree, whether I not agree, I don't know. But seeing the video, the one where they record bring come out and say they not even let the girl talk. The guy we can speak Yoruba say it never happened once for their family. So they want beat this girl. They want punish her for bringing shame and disgrace to their family. So waiting me personally see for this video when I show you now. This is my opinion. I like giving my opinion. I like saying if my opinion can change somebody somewhere. If my opinion feel make somebody change from the way they do before, with all due respect to everybody out there, is a plus to my life. It has been recorded in the book of life. It has been recorded in that book of that good spirit. So do the little you can for as many as you can, for as long as you can. I just beg you. So waiting I personally see for this video now. Still the problem of women are nothing. Nobody want give us listening ear. Leave your comments below. Let's see what you saw on that video. Let me see from your own universe. I beg you. Maybe as me city they think so, not be the ultimate. Teach me. I want to learn from you. Let's start communicating. Let's start communicating, I beg you. Communication is more better than backstabbing. It's more better than gossiping this person to your next friend. At the end of the day, maybe not better to you be the talker. That person when one will tell the other person will come turn and use anger tone, use aggressive tone, take talk and not be that tone you be used. So all depends on the tone. Why we not just talk to each other? What do you want to tell your friend? Be bold enough and tell the person. Maybe that person you can't explain, give you say not be as into reasoner. So for this simple reason, make we talk to ourselves. Make we be bold enough to tell ourselves truth. No person where you follow, whether a person we ready for truth. Truth is really, really painful. Truth, it hurts. So teach yourself, ask yourself, are you ready for the truth? If you follow people who are not ready for truth, deviate from them, because they will never like you because you are a truth teller. You always hurt them with the truth. They will never accept you. Step back and see who don't ready to listen to you. Love them from a distance. Still they tell them how to change. Then when you see say the tone way they use, the truth tone way they use, say they not they accept them, use the truth with aggressive tone. Maybe not that language they see they understand. And try to know this person, to know the kind of tone where you use for them. So waiting I take away from this video now, say women are still women. They not see women as anything. They not get right whatsoever. Tell me if now you, what you will do to these your brothers. I like giving my opinion. This is my opinion. I know they talk for anybody. I know they tell anybody, make you take my own way of thinking. The way I tell they think, the way I tell they take my decision might not help you. So don't take my word for it. This one are me. This one are my opinion. You take your own decision. Tell me what you will do as an individual. Me personally, those my brothers, they cease to be my brothers that very day. That very day, where they're on camera, they flog me, they beat me for the public to know, say, they know they do this thing for your family. It's disgusting. It's really, really, absolutely annoying. You not get right whatsoever. You be senior, you be junior, you be anybody. You not get right to lay hand on any human being. You not get right to take hit animal, because animals still get their rights. Animal get their rights. Why we not leave people to do wetin dey their mind? I'm not saying to fornicate is good, but me and you don't know whether not true. Man we can't drop a woman, say fornicate on top am. You not sit down, make you ask your sister first. Make you see where the truth from the come. Make you investigate. Make you know whether your sister really do am. If you really love this your sister, if you not get bond, your sister should be able to tell you the truth. If she do am, why she do am? Some women believe on payback. Maybe this woman don't fair the report to her brothers, but they see him say he don't fair the report to her brothers, say her husband and the cheat type and the beating type, he know they tolerate, he know they want to understand, they know they give her attention. You know they give her attention. When woman know they see attention, you pushing her to another person outside. Sometimes some women will just see some couple, they go they say, oh God, I wish now so my life you'll be. We women, they love any good thing. You know, we know women don't really they focus on you fine or you not fine. The ones where they focus on you fine, you not fine. Now the ones where not really still know what they want. They just feel say now the beauty, the swagging, and the everything. Those things will fade away. Women, they look hot. Real women, they look the way you treat them. Real women, they look whether you really love them with respect to all women. Swagger, designers, marker, not really matter. That attention whether they give human being, that's oh only your neck they pain you, oh only you they tasty, oh only I just cook for you now, only I they come from market, I they come from office, I just see this shoe, I just buy and come for, even though not fake, at least show attention. We women we fall in love with that kind of men. Now make many women, now make many people they say, has this girl just fine rich? I don't know what you see for this ugly boy body. What did she see? You not see him. You not see him. So make we beg, make we let people be. I not say to fornicate, man and woman to fornicate is fat. It's an abominity. It's not good, it's not fair, but let people be. Make people feel they talk their mind. When people they fed up of marriage, let them go. Maybe they made a mistake before to be together. If they want to come together, say they must come together, it must be an agreement. What did the man fair they do, where the woman not like, in go stop, and what did the woman fair they do, where the man not like, the woman go stop, and that is the only way they can stay together. You know if you shut one up, may you say may the other one they lead, may you expect may the house they peaceful. It's not possible. When the peace is not coming, let them go their own ways. Let them go their separate ways. This is my opinion. If na me, this my brothers, they cease to be my brother from that very day where they do that thing to me. Maybe this girl for don't come out now because of this fear. Some people, some family just stick to one thing they call a tradition is barbaric. To beat your younger sister big as this girl, to beat her wasn't enough. You recorded it. Which can senior brother be that one way not fake carry sister enter house outside that come talk something tell una say see what una sister do, or because una dey for this una word of tradition. Nobody want hear the lady side of the story. Nobody want feel her pain. Nobody want know why she do it. There is always a reason why anybody, man and woman, they do something. We should be sweet enough to just give people shoulder to cry on. We should be sweet and loving enough, I beg you all. How you go beat grown-up person like this as if you dey beat animal, as if you dey beat wild animal? You don't have any right to even slap your own child, not to talk of matured woman like this. I'm really angry. The way our African men say they take women is not fair. The man say for waiting on the talk for that, the thing is really making me pissed off. The thing is really making me angry when I see men where they beat women like this. Instead for tradition, say for history of their family, that kind of thing never happen. The history of your family where you born, the history of your family where you born, not be waiting there tell you, not be you know. Assuming say una not talk this one, still come out now say camera media not carry on, una not wash una dirty linens outside. People will still feel say na so it just still beat in their kingdom come. Those kind secret things, our family not they tell us. That time, brother and brother will marry each other. Instead of them to beat them up, they go say they drive the woman come up for the family. Why now not drive the two? Why not drive the two? Some family they're born for each other. They're born for each other. The same mama, the same papa, cousin. They're born for each other. But the family not to come out. Tomorrow, when they come out now, they'll say they want flog the girl. They want flog the girl because that kind of thing never happened for their family before. You don't know. Don't say what you don't know because for the history of una generation, you don't know. It is bad, it is wrong, it is not ideal, it is not advice for anybody to fornicate. But stop saying what you don't know. I beg you. Start to they talk from where they born you. When you start to they know something for una family, start to talk from there. Don't say in the history of your family. Don't say it. Coupled with the fact we don't even know whether the woman really do it. We don't even know if the woman do it, what make her do it. For our family, they don't do that kind of thing, but men they do it. Please don't misunderstand me. I beg you. Try to understand from where I'm coming from. Try to understand as this tradition they make them they maltreat women mercilessly. This tradition where they hold on to, don't get me wrong. There are good things in our tradition. There are bad things in our tradition. In any tradition, anything where don't be tradition, there is good and there is bad. When we abolish the bad ones, when we abolish the ones where say men get the rights, men and their biological rights, now their fundamental human rights to cheat on women, to marry 50 wives, to do anything to women not feel react, women not feel retaliate, women not feel do payback. We should say no to all those things. As things they change, make all of us change for one. In my own opinion, this is my opinion and I'm entitled to it. If na me, those my brothers must feel my absence. Those my brothers must know say what they do no good. Don't they join outsider, they beat speaking. Don't they join outsider, they beat picking. Man can't drop una sister for house. Instead of una to stand as a man, say, how dare you? How dare you return our sister in a disgrace like this? Give us the proof. Who is the man? Investigate. Do as a man. No, una look, carry the girl come. Una start to the bitter. Say, don't they do this kind of thing for una family. Una family, man not dey una family who marry more than one wife. I mean, una don't carry come and una flog am. How many una don't carry come and say muna flog and say na man he marry more than one wife or he don't marry, he dey cheat. You will raise up king, they flog this your sister. How many girlfriend you get for outside? Now all since when you marry your wife, if you don't marry, since when you marry your wife, now only your wife you dey sleep with. What are we not saying? What are we not getting here? Why do we like intimidating and embarrassing women this way? We forget that now women, now mama na born us. Anywhere we for embarrass and intimidate women, we are automatically intimidating our own mother. Anywhere for disgraced woman, we they disgrace our mother. Anywhere for disgraced man, we they disgrace our father. Anywhere for naked man for public, our father body now will they bring come out. So all of us should be very careful of what we do. We should be careful. Just carry cane come out, just begin to flog matured woman like this. Begin to flog matured woman like this. When you as a man to do like man, now to stand, say nothing they happen for my family. How dare you return my sister back? How now we talk and one don't collect money, one not supposed to collect. One don't sell una sister, una know na. The problem where they when I see for you, where they don't feel talk again as a man, where they talk say man. What a man supposed to do now, faith to do now they do the opposite way what a man supposed to do. To my own opinion, why these people not feel react as a man where they say they be now because money where they collect for this girl marriage day was too much. When the man can ask of him money, they don't get money to take pay. So their sister must be slave to go pay for all those material things, all those food where they don't shit throw where the man will come ask in return. That is their problem. That is their problem because real men, where they say they be men, don't feel drive they don't feel disgrace their sister like this. Say no, they do it for our family, but they do it for our family. Men where they marry more than 3 wives. They do it for our family. Say make men marry go they cheat. Now men word right. Right? I beg, I beg, make we start to dey give women listening ear. I beg you all in the name of God. I beg you in the name of whatever you believe. I know they say this, if this woman, if she truly do one, if she fornicates, it is wrong. But make we start to see what they make women and men they fornicate. Now because they don't they into each other again. Now because they don't love each other again. They don't love each other again. Split the marriage before pikin come inside. Mona no they do by forced marriage. Mona live waiting they say church and religion talk. Even religion not say you must die for inside marriage. Now our parents they say make we endure, make we endure, make you endure. Make we forget all these things. We feel made mistake. Nobody not the made mistake. Mistake is there for you to make so that you learn from the mistake. This my brothers, they don't do well. For real, they don't do well. This my fathers, this my daddy, this my uncles, they don't do well. Not so that they do. Not so that they do. That woman is already hot. For a man to bring her things back to the family is already that one affair humiliation, that one affair embarrassment to her. Then una still put them for media. Una still put them for media, make people they mock her, make people they ridicule her. Not be so family till they do. Not be so family till they do. Family they investigate. Fair know whether your daughter they talk true. Fair hear from your daughter. Anything where your daughter tell you, make sure say you're sweet and loving enough to open this door of conversation between you and your daughter, between you and your cousin, between you and your nephew, between you and your blood, so that she go trust you enough to tell you true. Open this door of love and talk to people. Let them just talk. People wants to talk. This woman from don't come out if she fornicates. Fornicating is not allowed in anywhere. Man, woman is not allowed. But if this rapport they say that they talk together, that they give their sister listening ear, maybe the sister for don't even leave the marriage. Now the fear of the brothers. Now I believe say never make this girl come out since then. If that she cheats. If not truth, now the man they talk. If not be said the man just can't drop on to bring him mistress come house. Make we beg, make we give women room. This my brothers, this are God. What they do is really wrong. It's absolutely wrong. So tell me, if you be the girl, if you be this lady, what you will do? Tell me what you do. Leave your comments below. Let's learn from each other. If this art they irritating to you, if it they disgusting, put her under so that other people will learn from it, not to do it again. Tell no say women are not just toy. We are human beings. We feel hot. We feel hot deeply. We feel it. This you don't get right to take beat small pikin, not to talk of adults. You don't get right to take beat any human being. Wetin happen to sweet and nice conversation? Wetin happen to compromise? Wetin happen to me and you talk like matured human being? Wetin happen to wisdom? Wetin happen to companionship? Wetin happen to listening to people? Wetin happen to giving people shoulder to cry on? We all need shoulder to cry on as human beings. Especially your loved ones has to be there to raise you when you fall. Because everybody, they reach this stage where everybody say they fall for life. But make we get sweet and loving family. We go fit put hand. Make we not use our head to hit ground. Waiting this my brothers do to this their sister is absolutely wrong. Please, my sisters, please, my lovely ladies, be independent. Every time I tell you talk be independent. God don't bless us with wisdom. Do anything we will fetch you money. Go learn work. Go learn how to sew shoe. Go do anything where you know say tomorrow go fetch you money. Where you know say tomorrow you not go depend on anybody. You not go depend on anybody. I beg you, my brothers and sisters, to give us listening ear. I beg you, my brothers and sisters, nobody be slave. For this modern age, when people don't they plan to go mass, now people still they hold on to tradition to maltreat women. This modern life where they don't do motor, where not they use fuel again, where they use breeze, they waka. Now they see they hold on to a tradition where say women are slaves. Please, my brother, please, my brothers, stop hitting your younger sisters. Some will see lay hand on their elder sister, person will come life before you because you feel say you be man. because you feel say you be man. Wetin no good make woman do, e no good make man do am. If una sister come dey report to una say their husband dey cheat on them, you people should be sweet and do that man wey una be. Go talk to this man to stop maltreating your sister. Because your sister is a princess. Your sister is a mother. Your sister be like your own mama wey give birth to you. We too dey lock many things inside. Make una just let us free, my lovely brothers. I hope you receive my message with peace. I hope you see reason with me. I hope you just take a little time to see from my own point of view. I know you have your point of view. I know you have your freedom of reasoning. But please, I beg you, just see from my own point of view. When you use your point of view, you might misjudge me. I'm not saying don't judge. It makes you human. But please think twice before you crucify me. Love you. I love. I just want us all to be happy. If this my video offend you, it wasn't intentional. I hate bringing that beast out in you. I love love. I love seeing everybody love. I love seeing everyone equal. I love seeing everybody equal. Man as women, we are equal. God created us in his own image and likeness. You not get who God creates with Mary image. Couple with the fact say now we women, me believe now. I felt talking for one of my video. I believe now we women God fair creates. Go am out. Any egg before it come before the. To me, I believe everybody na woman, because go am out. Before you can get your own cell, can say you be woman, you say you be man, before the Y chromosome enter, everybody na fair woman. Now make me get nipple, now make me get breast, now make me get those lines where they under their now make them get them. So everybody now woman, I believe say God fair creates now just to make everywhere sweet for men to just retain their power. Nobody dey drag am for una. Waiting we they ask for now our respect as human being. Now our respect as human being now we they ask for. So my brothers, I beg you, love your sisters, love your mothers, love other people's wife, love them in terms of loving them as your own sister. Not say go love them and you go lay with them. That's not what I'm saying. Love them equally, love everybody, love men. Let love just reign. I beg you, most stop this word gender. More stop, and if we say more go they dig, more go they dig, they do research. You go see say na woman I got fair creates for real. Go am out. You go see say every baby for in mama womb na female first. So please, I not come here come argue. You be first, you be second, you be third. I just come beg my brothers especially my Africa brothers. Please, when any man come drop una sister. First and foremost, na fair insult to una. Take una sister enter house, ask una sister question with love. Don't shout, not hawking. Talk to them. Love your sister that much. Let your sister feel open up to you. When you talk to somebody where they broken, it will tell you everything. All depends on the tune where they use. So it was really wrong for my brothers to do this thing to this woman. It's very absolutely wrong. So tell me what you think. I beg you not to take it personal. Till I come your way next time. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe to watch more of my video. Hit the bell button to get notification whenever I upload video. Love you. Follow me up on my Facebook page, Sophie Universe. Subscribe. Hit the bell button. Follow me up on my Instagram. This is Sophie Universe, Hot Topic. Till I come your way next time. Love you.